Hi everyone, good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah. Today's demo session will be really for a short time. Yesterday we have discussed people who missed yesterday's class. I will suggest them to listen the recording, right? You just write an email to DurgaSoft. They will be sharing with you the class recordings of yesterday, right? We have discussed lot many things. It was a like almost 1.5 hour session. Uh, I have answered many of your questions, and I think if you have any query, you can ask today. So what we will do today is it will be a kind of 15-20 minute session. Our class will start from this Saturday onwards. The timing will be 7:30 to 10. Few people requested evening 9 p.m. batch. Unfortunately, it is not possible because I'm also working and evening time. Um, I am not available. So only time slot which is there is morning. It can be weekday morning, but as of now, weekday morning also there is one more MLOps batch which is running, which will get over by end of this uh, Jan or mid of February, right? After that, new batch may start on weekdays. But so if you're looking for weekdays, mid of February, again a new generative AI batch will start on weekdays, morning 7:30 to 8:30. Otherwise, always it will be weekend. The timing will be 7:30 to 10, as we discussed yesterday. It is AM IST. The course content, right? I have shared the link. Um, you can go through the course content through this link. You can click on this and uh, I think I shared it to DurgaSoft or everyone. Just give me 1 minute. Let me share the course content. Right. So you can just access the course content from this link. If you have any questions, tomorrow also we will connect. So till Friday, it's a demo session and the link will change. Saturday, Sunday, it will be a paid link and we will start with software installation. As I said, this weekend, I will not cover any major topic. Mostly it will be uh, understanding the different graphics cards and why GPU is very important for deep learning related processes, right? And also we will discuss about softwares that we need and I will be installing the CUDA in my system and that recording I'll forward it to you. So it's all about system configuration and then installing softwares and all these 2 weekends. And next weekend onwards, also after this weekend, I will be sharing some materials with you, which you can go through whenever you have time, which will keep you engaged. Every weekday, people think like every day, if you have class, you also need some break, right, to practice the things. It is weekend class, so good thing is you have the whole week. Whatever topic we are covering on weekends, the whole week you can practice, you can basically go through it. And if you have any questions in the next weekend, you can ask, right? So I will give you the introduction videos and also NLP videos on Sunday, right? Also, our WhatsApp group will be created and Drive will be created where I will upload. Every class recording will be present and the recording will be with you for 1 year. It is I will be managing everything. My meeting, this is just for demo session. You are attending the demo sessions from DurgaSoft link. But once the demo sessions are over, it will be my link, my Drive. I will give access and everything, materials I will upload, recordings I will upload. So everything I will only manage. So it will be with you for 1 year and it is a lifetime access actually. So once your access is gone, because of space, I may remove. You just can ping me and I will add you to the latest folder again. But I think 1 year is a huge time window. So I think within that, after the course is completed also, lot many times you can re-listen, replay the videos and clear your concepts. And doesn't matter where I go. If you really want to like rejoin the class or because of some medical issue or some emergency, we don't encourage that. But in case you have some real valid reason, right, you can just send me an email. You can email me on ai with sasmitha@gmail.com. It's very easy to remember. ai with sasmitha@gmail.com, right? And with your payment receipt. So in future, if you want to rejoin again, you can do that, right? So that this is all about it. Any questions, anything that you can ask? Otherwise, I'll just again quickly summarize the course content. What we have discussed yesterday, we discussed what is AI, what is artificial intelligence. We have discussed what is generative AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning. AI is nothing but pattern finding. And we also discussed about
Hi.
generative AI, part of deep learning, right? We discussed like the course curriculum at very high level yesterday. Detail, you please go through the curriculum and let me know if you have any questions. So let me again take you through the curriculum. We already discussed it, but I just want to take you through it again.
Hi.
Um,
Sorry to interrupt.
yeah,
Hello. Yeah, sorry. I'm Gopal. Uh,
yeah.
I just want to understand that I am a BSc IT holder, and I have around uh, I have 10 years of experience in the project in Java. So can I switch because I don't have master degree? So is there mandatory
I
for
think it's a question I have answered yesterday. I think you missed yesterday's demo session, right?
Yeah, right.
No problem. Please go through the recorded session. So what I will do is, um, all the people who have access, like whoever will try to get access to the curriculum, right? On the same folder, I will upload yesterday's recording also, right? And it will be a public access. So please, otherwise you can just ping to DurgaSoft and they will be able to share the demo recording of yesterday. I have answered all the question yesterday's class in detail. My request will be please go through the recorded session if you missed yesterday's class and feel free to ask me any doubt. We have again 2-3 more demos. Tomorrow I might not discuss anything related to course curriculum and all. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow till Friday, what we will do is I'll talk about some prerequisite, right? Prerequisite means, let's say VS Code extensions, which are really important, very, very high level overview about Jupyter Notebook. And these are not included in the course curriculum, but this will prepare you for the course. When we start the course from this weekend onwards, at least you will feel comfortable, right? And some basics about Python. And if you have any doubt with respect to what laptop, few laptops which I have selected, I can share it with you. And if you want to set up your own server, then what kind of like configuration you should take. Like I told you, Llama and all, if you want to install, I'll tell you the trick, right? On this Saturday and Sunday. Not Llama, any open source model, if you want to download and use it, how to calculate the memory, right? And all of those things we will discuss. It is just to prepare you for the course. I'm giving some 10-15 days time. So if you're thinking you don't know Python and all that, and I truly suggest you to please go through the Python. If you are from Java background, I don't think Python will be difficult. Very similar concept. Just the syntax will be different, and it is very easy as compared to Java. So I think if you spend 7 to 10 days, easily you will get the core Python part. But that is requirement. That is the requirement for this course. If you think you are not prepared and you have time, then you can take a break. Next batch, but just to remind you, once this batch is started, next batch will start end of March or maybe end mid of April, right? So it is there is no other slots that is there. As I said, maybe mid of February I can start. That's not guaranteed, but weekend batch will continue, right? Next batch also will be weekend. Weekday, I will think and I will decide. So I will suggest, if you are a quick learner, I think 10-15 days are enough to go through the Python things. If you are completely non-technical, my suggestion is please don't take this course, right? Because completely non-technical, and if you're thinking it's just a drag and drop kind of thing, no, it is a pure coding class. And you should have at least one language experience, anyone like Java, Scala, R, Python. JavaScript also is fine. Any language. If you have worked in any language before, at least for some years of your time, or if you are from engineering background, in your engineering also, if you have taken any coding classes, I think this course is suitable. Nothing much is required. You can just refresh your knowledge and you will understand. Most of the coding are related to LangChain, framework oriented coding. So it is new for everyone. So many of the coding you will understand, right? Um, so that is all about it. Prerequisite is Python, basic Python at least you should know. If you don't know, you have time, 11th and 12th. And then we have long weekend, sorry, long holiday also. You can utilize that time. Next class will be on 16th and 17th. I think you have around 10 days of time, right? You can practice and make yourself comfortable. Okay. Any other question you have? I
Could
think
you please confirm on the timings once?
7:30 to 10. But this weekend we will not connect till 10 because this is the first class. We will be connecting. There's not much topic from my end also. I don't want to start from module 4, right? From this weekend onwards. Module 4 onwards. Module 3, introduction and all, that's fine. Ethical AI also I will start from next weekend, right? So this weekend we will just focus on module 1, module 2 and module 3, half of module 3. So it will
Morning
not,
or evening? Night?
sorry?
Morning or evening?
No,
This
morning.
morning
7,
7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m.
yes. AM it is, not PM. It is AM.
Oh,
7:30 AM, morning 7:30 AM to 10 AM IST.
okay, thank you. And one more basic question is like, so I have seen many posts that people are saying that first go for math and then ML ops and then at last go for generative AI. So is that fine, or if you, because we did not learn ML ops and math is basic only, but is that fine if you start with generative AI itself?
MLOps here, it is not from generative AI. Generative AI is starting from module 8, right? As I said, see, module 8 is LangChain. So from here, actually, we are starting generative AI. So if you take 2 months class, 1 month will be deep learning and 1 month will be generative AI. This course is designed in such a manner. 1 month is deep learning and 1 month is generative AI. So in this course, you will be learning deep learning. In the previous course, like MLOps, you will be learning machine learning, right? So machine learning is also important. But for generative AI, machine learning is not needed. I'll tell you why. Most of the generative AI you will do on unstructured data like text or image or video data. And deep learning is what you need. The background algorithms that you will use is mostly deep learning, not machine learning. Having said that, I'm not saying machine learning is not important. If your goal, if your goal is to become an AI engineer, or if you are trying to apply for data science or any AI related positions, strongly I will recommend to take both of these courses. If you look at my, uh, let's say, if you look at my, this is my folder, right? So if you look at, this is the full stack AI program. Actually, I have divided into 2 courses, but this is what it is. Full stack AI engineer program has 2 parts, generative AI and ML ops. And both are very important. Generative AI is for everyone who wants to build applications on Gen AI and for people who really don't want to come to AI domain, right? For example, you are a web developer and you are a, let's say, DevOps engineer. Nowadays, everyone is learning AI. So if you are in that mood, just to use the AI tools and create Gen AI application, I think this course is good for you. But if you are someone who really want to build some startup around AI, or you want to plan to attend interviews related to AI positions, then this is the full course. This is half, this is half. Everything is important. MLOps is equally important as Gen AI. Sequence, If you are smart enough, I think any sequence is fine. Normal sequence will be MLOps and then generative AI. But generative AI is also very much independent. Without knowing anything on ML, 100% you can understand everything from Gen AI. Why? Because we are starting from deep learning, which is the background, and from scratch. ML Ops will teach you ML and Ops together. ML is machine learning, Ops is operationalization. Ops is very common, right? Ops is for any software, how to operationalize. Software in the sense, we are not talking about additional softwares. It is AI software or AI product. You can develop the AI product using API call or using from scratch deep learning or machine learning. AI product is AI, right? So ops part will be same. The tools that you will learn is same for like LLM ops also, mostly same with slight differences. But the ML part is completely different. So in the ML ops course, again, the new batch for ML ops will start from mid of, I will tell you, right? End of January or mid of February. New ML ops batch will start. I will update everyone in the group. You can join. Now one batch is running and I think there is no slot. Weekday morning 7:30. Once that is over, then we will start a new batch. So I don't consider this as a two different courses. This is actually one course. If you want to become AI engineer, you need to give me 5 months of time, 2.5, 2.5. You can take parallelly, you can take one after another. Both are equally important. When you apply for any ML engineer or any ML related roles or deep learning Gen AI roles, questions will be from machine learning. Also, question will be from Gen AI together. Are you getting? So this is the entire curriculum. Any questions on this?
Oh, thank you.
And you will understand 100%. And it's not something like I'm just telling like this. The course is designed from scratch. Generative AI will teach you deep learning. MLOps will teach you ML and deployment, both. The
So first,
same.
if I go for Gen AI and then later part ML ops, that all it's fine.
Yeah, that will be fine. Because Gen AI is completely like mostly deep learning, you will see LangChain is a completely new topic. Fine tuning and other things, validation and all, you will understand because in the deep learning, I have updated the curriculum, right? So we will do some projects from scratch. So there is no dependency. This is one course, but how you want to take, it's up to you.
Oh, thank you.
If you're asking which is important, which I should skip and which I should not skip, I already told you. If you are, what is your goal, you need to ask, right? If your goal is to update yourself quickly, right? And nowadays industries, they're just running after Gen AI, Gen AI, Gen AI everywhere, right? So if you are a person whose company is forcing you to do something on Gen AI, and you have no intention of coming into AI in future, means applying for AI roles, and you want to be a software engineer plus Gen AI, then Gen AI is the only course you should take. But if you want to do anything on data science space, if you want to become expert or if you want to complete the entire track, both are equally important. Machine learning is for structured data. Structured means any kind of tabular data if your company has, like sales, like I'll give you one example. In my current, I am handling 3-4 project. One of the project is, yeah, so I look at my domain, right? So one is this high level project, which is on Gen AI and all, but not all projects are Gen AI. Out of 100, let's say if I'm getting 100 projects, maybe 80 projects will be on ML, 20 projects will be on Gen AI. Are you getting? So that's the ratio. And let's say another project that I'm handling parallelly along with Gen AI is sales forecasting. So we have 976 products. I work for HP, right? So we have printers, we have in printer, we have 120 categories. In like we have peripherals, we have lot many categories, different sub-regions, different. So altogether it is around 976 product, right? For every quarter, for every month, for every year, we do predict the sales, right? For every region. So that is one of the project that I'm handling and it is completely on ML, right? Not on Gen AI, because the data is tabular, mostly number data, right? And ML is very cheaper as compared to Gen AI. And it's not required also. If your data is structured, you should not use Gen AI. So you don't know what kind of project you will be handling. So you should be expert in everything. So that's why it is full stack. So if you're someone who want to come into AI, plan to take ML Ops also after you complete this, right? Okay. Any other doubt?
Hi, my name is Nirbhay. Yeah, so
Yeah.
my question was after completing this course, what are the some potential job opportunities in this field of generative AI, and how should I go about applying for these roles, and what are this typical salary range for this position?
See, as I said, what is your only Gen AI if you are taking, you are not eligible, as just now I told, right? Only with generative AI course, you are not eligible to apply for any AI role, to be very honest. Because any AI role, if you're applying for, like ML Ops engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, AI engineer, computer vision scientist, NLP scientist, is full stack. Means what? Definitely ML will be there, plus deep learning will be there, and then generative AI questions will be also be there. So any AI related job you are not eligible to apply for without both of these codes. But only with Gen AI, what kind of codes, what kind of role you cannot apply for AI roles for sure, but you can upgrade yourself. Upgrade means what? Whatever you are doing currently, you can do the same thing in a better way. I'll give you one example. Many of you are working as test automation engineer, right? Many of you are working in this demo. Let's say few people are working as a test automation engineer. Anybody is working in testing? Testing. Anyone is working? No one. Let us consider someone is working in testing. So what they're doing currently, they're using Selenium and other packages. They're doing manual testing or automated testing using Selenium and all. After taking this generative AI course, the same task what you used to do, like using 15 days, 20 days, right click, inspect, and then division, complete path, and then writing code manually, entire web crawling can be done using agents, and 15 days task can be done in 3 minutes. That's how you can upgrade. So Gen AI is for everyone. It is a generic course for everyone, right? Like it is like you, what you can say is, it's a whatever you are today, this will add extra, it will help you for increasing your productivity. That's it, right? So whatever you are doing, you can, like, you can ask me, right, in based on your domain, and I will give you examples. In every domain, whatever you are doing, let's say DevOps, you are writing pipeline code, long, lengthy codes. But after knowing generative AI, you can basically create a lot of things like agent, which can do the complete web development. Like you have seen Naveen and all, right? Software engineer you can create, virtual software engineer. Obviously, it is not like completely automated, but a lot of the things can be automated. You will just be there as a supervisor, and 10x or 100x time it will be faster. Web development, anything that you do, DevOps, anything, right? That will be 100x faster because you're using AI for doing the same job. That is
Can you
what
give me, yeah, sorry for interrupt. Can you give me example for a GIS field, Geographic Information System?
geospatial information.
Geospatial, yeah.
Geospatial, right?
Yeah.
Am I correct? Geospatial, or what you're asking?
Yeah, it's a geospatial. It's called geospatial, not spatial.
Geospatial, I don't know.
Yeah.
Geospatial means what? What is the data? Geospatial data is there, which is about maps, right? Latitude,
Uh,
longitude information, and other
correct,
things.
correct. Yeah. So it's pronounced like a spatial, not spatial. Yeah.
Oh, spatial? Okay, I have not,
Uh,
maybe.
yeah. Yeah,
Okay.
that's okay. No
Yeah,
problem.
but
So my
so,
question
so
was
yes,
that, yeah.
geospatial or spatial, right? It's 100% AI related field, and many things. In fact, let me show you one quick real demo. So the thing that you are using here, right? The clusters that you look here is a package in JavaScript which has been used called deckgl, which is useful for, if you just call this deckgl, right? Which is useful for this geospatial data, right? And you have lot many visualization which you can create. So what I mean to tell you is, and lot many applications are there. It's a completely purely AI related field, geospatial. Why I'm very sure, because one of my professor, I joined PhD, but I dropped in between because I could not manage. And my domain was not my domain, my professor's domain was geospatial, right? And what we used, like he used to do using Seaborn and Plotly and different packages, so visualization related project that he told me to do. But now we have a lot many new advanced, like one thing is coding help, that is I think universal. Coding is completely automated and very fast we can generate code. Second thing is in geospatial also, like if you share, a lot of applications are there, maps you can create. You can create graph related algorithms and lot many predictions you can do. So it has like lot and mostly JSON data. So again, generative AI will be very much helpful, right? So depending on the domain, so you name any domain, there are applications. Blindly, I'm saying, right? Any domain, there are applications. So AI is everywhere. So you just take this into consideration. Everything you can, if you are in IT and if it is technical, AI is there. Think in that way. In fact, non-technical, like I have gone to some I have gone to some workshop and I have seen lot many healthcare related robots are manufactured, which can do robotic surgeries, right? A doctor will just enter the inputs and the robot will do the surgery. Doctor will be there. Doctor is not going to be replaced, but doctor will be there to supervise. The robot will be doing the surgery. In manufacturing also, lot many manufacturing related robots are created. Delivery, if you go to China and all, already there are apps. You just can book, how Ola Uber we have, like already it is running on roads. You can check internet, you will see driverless. It is not a dream, it is true. It is actually there. There is an app, you can book your ride. Nobody will be there on the vehicle. Automotive mode, right? So that is in automobile. Everywhere it is there. If I keep talking, the entire class will go. And you can read some white papers. I think these are publicly available sources. And any domain you want to know more, just search on Google. Now, how that domain is impacted by AI. You will see a lot of researches, right? Research papers. Anyway, so I think I have a hard stop. I will stop here and let us connect tomorrow. If you have any further questions, I can discuss. And I think this is the content. You can go through it. If you don't have access, I will approve. And tomorrow we will discuss something related to installation and other thing. Uh, okay, any other GB is super sufficient for GenAI. So few people has given comment like I am very fast. I am very fast maybe because I'm not teaching anything. It's just answering your queries, and there are a lot many queries I'm getting. With limited time, I have to address all the queries. That's why I may be little fast. But in real time, when you will attend classes, uh, I will be giving you enough time to ask doubts, and I will repeat many of the concepts multiple times. And you are always welcome to give me feedback. If you think like it is little fast, just stop me there and I'll repeat, right? Every topic that I cover, it's a completely interactive class. So you can ask me doubts. I will answer it. And then only I'll move to the new topic. It's not like you can just type, you can unmute and speak. Yes, I have shared link, the course curriculum I have shared. Again, I have reshared. People who have not who have no access, please copy the link and get the curriculum, right? And
Ma'am,
let's continue. Yeah.
ma'am, are you giving the recorded videos, means all the videos from the previous batch, or this you have mentioned only that one?
No. Only all other classes are live only. So this theory is software installation are recorded. You can see enabling. I think this is also I will take live. So this Saturday, Sunday, right?
Uh-huh.
Enabling GPU accelerated module 2 we will cover on Saturday, and that recorded session. For next batch onwards, it will be your recorded session, right? So I will do it for Windows in my system, and that recording session I will forward it to you. So in fact, this is live for your batch. This is not recorded. And this also is live. Module 1 and Module 2 we will complete on this weekend installation.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, after completion of this course, we will get only 6 month access of this batch.
6 months to mostly 6, but is it like, as I said, it is it is lifetime access. Once your access is removed, you just ping me. I will be there in WhatsApp group. So see, this is all my WhatsApp group. If I just uh, I have named many things. So these all are my WhatsApp groups, right? And this is only for ML ops. If I just say data science, I have many data science groups. See, this is what I have taken all these batches in last 8-10 years, right? So this is what all the data science group. And I have plans which I am not able to execute ever. I have a plan to combine all the groups into one community. My goal 2025 is to do that, so that we all will be connected, all my students. I have around 10,000 plus students so far across globe, right? So that will be a huge community, and we can help each other. We can refer each other. For example, I keep getting for example, recently this kind of requirement, right? I get, and this is actually a requirement and which I want to refer, but because I'm a little busy and occupied, I am not able to forward. But this is a permanent remote position, and I have few connects like HR and all, and some consultancy are from US and also from different HR departments. So they keep sending me this kind of, because I have students, right? I can refer. And this is a very good role, permanent remote position, and it's for, I don't know for which company, but these are genuine requirements, not fake ones, because I know them, right? I know the people. So I will refer. So that is the whole purpose of creating groups, so that we will be connected. And few of my students are in better position, very, very better position, who are helping me, or basically I am requesting them to refer in their companies. Like few are in Microsoft and very good companies who are referring me. So it's all mutual. And that's why we had that group. So it's a 6 month access, but as I said, it's a lifetime access. Once you have no access, let me know, just ping me, and I will give you access, right? To the latest folder. Um, and I have always a copy of my previous batches. So um, in case you badly need it, I will give you access to your folder, otherwise a latest folder, whatever. And generative AI will keep changing. Every batch I change the content. Last batch it was GCP, your batch it is Azure, and definitely Gen AI content will not be same after 6 months. You will see lot many things will be changed. And it's better to get the latest content, whatever it is, right? So
Yes,
in one
ma'am.
lifetime access only. Yeah.
Ma'am, Langgraph will be covered now.
No, we are covering Crew AI. So for multi-agent, in
Okay.
Crew. So there are three options: Microsoft AutoGen, and then Crew AI and LangGraph. So we are going with Crew AI.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I think let us connect tomorrow. I have a hard stop, and we'll continue if you have any further questions, right? Okay, thank you, everyone.